In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Let them open their eyes.
Mwambuni North Dispensary was officially commissioned by Her Excellency.
Registration ya SHA. Registration ya SHA. Lazima kila mtu unawaomba tafadhali watu wangu muregister na SHA. Nitakuwa tania. You register with SHA. And as you register with SHA, we are also asking the national government, as we are working very hard to make sure that our people are registered with SHA. Please, just make sure we get our money on time so that we are able to serve our people better. The establishment, fencing, equipping of Mumbuni North Dispensary. A clear demonstration of our commitment to bring healthcare services closer to the people. O Monday talk of bingwa sibitale no ya Mumbuni. Ni mwezi no nina misaubisie. O Monday ni ukejosisia. Ondo ikoduko maasi ndo sionde ila meitesi kwa nisi kwa na libe bingwa officially ni kenda ni manye balatu mete balati na balati yendete. Nika since inception, the facility has attended to over 13,000 patients, providing essential services including management of hypertension and diabetes, immunization of children who had missed vaccines, and care and support to survivors of sexual and gender-based violence.